Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. Today I'm announcing one of the very important information for large number of you. There are so many students who are interested to come to ProTalent and study with us. In past, people from across India, UAE and some part of Nepal and USA, people have come and joined us for this crash course. So here there is a special announcement for this crash course. So what we are going to provide to you in this particular program is this. Classes will start from 2nd of April 2020 and it will continue till 8th of May 2020. The lectures will be from morning 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so that means there will be 2 hours, 2 sessions will be conducted, and then we will have 3 to 5 p.m. exclusively devoted for some mini mock exercises. Okay, that is happening on a daily basis. Okay, classroom mocks will be on the lines of CLAT 2020. So there are classes wherein we are going to conduct mini mocks and there are classes we are going to conduct full length test. Okay, so it is from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so it is from Monday to Sunday classes are happening. However, on Sunday classes are not from 10 to 5, they are from 10 to 2 only. Okay, there will be a lot of strategy sessions, lot of time management techniques will be provided by our expert faculty. I'll be taking care of most of the classes on my own, and with me there are few members who will be teaching to you. They are the experts in their field. Personal students performance evaluation and counseling will be done. We'll be sitting with one-on-one basis, trying to understand how well you are preparing. If there is some need for from our side to give you some support, to give you that. There will be expert faculties, as I mentioned. There will be AC classes and there is an access to ProTalentDigital.com. I'm sure you are aware about that. ProTalentDigital.com provides you exclusive content for your CLAT. Okay, possibly the only site in the country which gives you comprehensive support for your CLAT. Okay, so that is available. Current affair module we cover at the last moment has a good chance of, you can say, more than 42 plus questions coming to your examination. Okay, what are the other highlights of this program? Students from India, Nepal, UAE and USA have attended in the past. The enrollment will be on first come first serve basis. There are hundreds of students who are applying to us and we are taking only 40 students. So we are not going to take more than 40 students. So make sure that you enroll as early as possible. The fees for that is 28,000 rupees, which includes your coaching classes, classroom test, live mocks, online mocks, everything is covered. Remember, ProTalent doesn't run any hostel here. We provide you guidance about the availability of hostels, PGs, service apartments based on the recommendation of our past students. So we'll be giving you those kind of information. So based on our past students, in case if you want refund of the fees, this is a process we are going to follow. If you can say demand refund before January 15th, 30% will be deducted and rest of the amount will be refunded to you. From 15th January to 15th March, if you say 50% will be refunded to you, and after 15th of March, no refund will be entertained. Okay, so just understand the entire policy and then take a decision. Okay, now how do you enroll? So there are the links. These links will be provided in the description of this video. Okay, so you can purchase it directly through that link, or there is an information provided on the ProTalentDigital.com. Fill all the necessary information. Pay a token amount of 7,500 rupees. The refund amount is out of this 7,500 only. Okay, so whatever is a percentage we discuss, that is based on 7,500, not on the original amount. Okay, balance money you pay at ProTalent's Surat office. The payment will be via net banking, credit card, debit card or UPI. Okay, so this is what pretty available to you. You can very well use all the, you can say, online facilities available to you. Okay, so I suggest all of you that you talk to your parents, decide about this and come to Surat. I will be there to train you for the entire program. Okay, so make sure that you are getting wonderful advantage of our preparation and try to reach to the top 100 rank of CLAT. Okay, so with that mission, with that enthusiasm, with that goal in mind, I'm going to train you that I will ensure that you reach to the top 100 rank. Okay, this is what the kind of efforts we are going to put in, and let's see how well we are progressing. So I invite you with open heart to join ProTalent at Surat. Thank you very much and all the best.